So again, I would like to present to you our school in Germany, University of Europe for Applied Sciences. So today we will be discussing why, Germany is becoming one of the, you know, great study option of our international students this year. In fact, the inquiries about studies in Germany has seen to be increasing ngayong taon na to, no? And to share with you guys, we actually have very good visa approvals for in our university coming from our Filipino students as of this year. So we are a private university. So as early as now, I would like to answer whatever questions you guys have in mind. If kailangan ko bang mag-German language just for me to be admitted here. As I mentioned, we are a private institution. So just, marunong lang kayong mag-English. You don't need to learn the German language just to be admitted here, because most of the time the public schools are the ones who are requiring that, and you would need a B1 level to be admitted in these schools. And so far, unfortunately, dahil mahirap ang B1 level, maraming mga students ang hindi nakaka-avail ng mga free education sa Germany. That's why here we are as a private institution making your dreams happen pa din, no? Just by knowing the German, knowing how to speak in English. So we have 4 global campuses in Germany, and we are represented by 100 countries at University of Europe. So when I say 100 countries represented at UE, again, I'd be happy to share that we have an increasing Filipino students already here at University of Europe, okay, who will be joining our September intake. We call that our fall intake. So kapag pumasok ka dito or nag-join ka dito, hindi ka na mangungulila ba? Saying na, hindi ka na maninibago, because you will see Filipino students studying here already. Our courses are taught 100% in English or in German. So yung German, of course, these are students na marunong lang mag-German. B1 ang kanilang nire-require for this. So they can join our German taught. But since hindi pa tayo marunong mag-German language, our courses are taught 100% in English, okay, format. So you have 70 program choices, okay? If you're looking for programs in business, IT and data, psychology, sports and event management, anything that is related to health, I can show you later on what's our available program for you. And we also have arts and designs program, and we have MBA and MBA with specialization. Okay, so what is University of Europe? Napakarami namang mga student, okay? Hold na, let me just this. Napakarami namang school sa Germany, no? But what makes University of Europe stand out? Okay, so University of Europe, we're proud of these award that we are recognized by the German Education Award as of 2023 and 2024 as one of the best private universities across the board in Germany. That's why we are known as, providing the best further education. And we are also known as the top 10 in business studies, and we are known as the top media school. So bakit importante yan when you are looking for a campus or a school that you would want to join to or enroll? Of course, with these awards, that only means that your employability would basically be higher because you are actually an alumni coming from a school that is reputable and is recognized. Aside from that, being recognized by the German Education Award as the best private universities across in Germany, the programs that you will be getting here at UE are all state recognized. Okay? Kasi not all ng mga subjects or not all ng mga courses in Germany are state recognized. So, but here you rest assured, all the programs are state recognized at University of Europe. So why Germany? Okay. So from our crowd, I would like to check sino yung mga gustong makapagtrabaho after mag-aral. Okay? Meron ba tayo dito? Siyempre, karamihan ng mga, you can actually, your react button if that is what you want para ma-manifest natin. No? So, why Germany? So students who actually study here are eligible for a post-study work permit of 18 months, and that is extendable 2 times. So after 18 months, after nyo mag-aral, you will be given a post-study work permit eligibility wherein pwede kang magtrabaho doon, and then 6 months renewable, and then another 6 months renewable. So if you do the math and calculate that, that would be a total of like more than at least 2.5 years or up to 3 years of post-study work permit. And of course, yung mga hinahanap ng mga students natin, being able to work part-time during their studies, definitely you are allowed to work part-time here while you are studying. You're allowed to study or work 20 hours per week while you are studying. Okay? So, what is the EU Blue Card eligibility? Okay, ito very exciting to share to you guys. Okay, because ang EU Blue Card, this is an eligibility or something that is being given to non-European citizens, classifying you as a skilled worker in Germany. And how will you meet that? Okay, number one, if you are able to finish a degree in Germany, you are eligible to get that. Number two, if you have 1 year, more than 1 year work experience in Germany, you can apply for an EU Blue Card. So again, may degree ka, more than 1 year work experience, and you also know already by then how to speak the German language, which is yung basic, yung A1, okay? And you will be eligible to apply for an EU Blue Card. Once you have that already, this is valid for 2 to 3 years, and it is renewable. You are actually allowed to live and work anywhere within the European countries. So, napakagandang opportunity because hindi lang kayo Germany ang mag-open sa inyo ng opportunity. However, having an EU Blue Card would allow you to explore work and, the chance to live anywhere within the European country like, ano ba yan? Italy, Spain, if these are the countries that you are actually looking forward to in time na makapagtrabaho or maninirahan, as long as you have an EU Blue Card, very, very possible. So, this is renewable. This is 2 to 3 years valid and it is renewable. And once you have that, you do the math, that would be more than 5 years already. It'll open opportunities for you for PR and citizenship possibilities. Okay. Now, as a student at University of Europe, we have a legal team who advises and gives assistance to all our enrolled students. So if along the way you have questions like how to, renew my post-study work permit, how can I apply for an EU Blue Card, we have a legal team that can assist you, and this is basically free of charge. So just to give you a glimpse of our campuses, we have our own campus. So our very first campus is located at Iserlohn. It is ranked as the third most beautiful campus in Germany. And we have our innovation hub that is located in Potsdam. And we also have our Hamburg campus and our Berlin campus. So these are the four major campuses that we have in Germany. And we also are opening our Dubai campus, okay, which is also a pathway for our students. So for example, hindi ka pa ready mag-Germany, you can actually finish your studies or study first in Dubai, finish your studies here, and then you can apply for job seeker visa for 6 to 18 months in Germany naman after finishing your studies in Dubai. So these are our campuses available for you. Let's talk about the programs that we are basically offering to our students. So I would like to check from the crowd. I could not see the the chat room anymore, please confirm with me kung sino man maka-confirm, Nina or anyone from UNO team. Majority of our students that we have today are their profile more on the K-12 graduates or they are bachelor's degree holders?
Bachelor's po.
Okay. So more on bachelor's degree holders ang mga joinee or mga attendees natin today, correct? So we can skip the bachelor's program for now and proceed to our MBA or master's program. Are you okay with that?
You can discuss as well the bachelor's po.
Okay. So for our bachelor's program, we have different bachelor's program available in business, psychology, and IT. And this can be finished for 3 years only. Okay, unlike here in the Philippines, when you finish a bachelor's program, it'll take you 4 years to finish. But here we have a shorter length of course, so it's 3 years bachelor's program. Most of our students who are getting business are getting, business and management studies, and they also are getting business, digital business and data science, which is one of the most high demand jobs in Germany, not only in Germany, but basically all over the world. And we also have a software engineering, and they also take business psychology or psychology as well. Now, for our arts and design, especially for those who are K-12 graduates, okay, they are more looking for programs that are into arts and media. So, yung mga iba na mga mahilig sa mga photography, motion and designs, game and designs, they actually take our arts and design programs under these specific programs. So, what are the student qualifications for this? So, you have just to be a K-12 graduate, okay, or an under college graduate. You will be eligible to take any of our programs for our bachelor's degree programs here. Okay. Now we basically have what we call the direct bachelor's, foundation, and bachelor's. So why is that? Okay, again, we are basically talking about the bachelor's program here in University of Europe. So pag direct bachelor's, unfortunately, ang mga K-12 graduates here in the Philippines, kinulang tayo ng a couple of units para masabi na we are qualified directly to be a para makapasok sa mga bachelor's programs ng Germany, no? That's why we have what we call the password UE entrance exam that would qualify you for direct bachelor's. Now, in the event na hindi kayo pumasa for direct bachelor's, please do not even worry about it because you will just automatically be enrolled to a foundation program which is just one sem, and that is only 6 months before your bachelor's program. Okay? Probably you will have questions. Can I still work even if I am under foundation program? Definitely you can. Okay, even if you are under foundation program. Now, if you are a student who doesn't want to undergo any entrance exam, okay, and try the direct bachelor's luck, it's fine. Because what you can do is you can ask, UNO or Adventus to help you out and say, okay, can you just enroll me directly in foundation program plus the bachelor's program that I want to pursue? And then the UE entrance test will not be available for you. Okay lang yon, walang problema. So, naka-foundation and bachelor's program ka. Okay? So, here, what is our admission requirements for that? Of course, UNO will be one of the experts for this, but I just wanted to reiterate some additional requirements that will be asked, like the letter of motivation, which will be 300 to 500 words only. So if you guys will be needing a sample of this, I can actually send you guys a sample of letter of motivation coming from our students. And it's just a simple letter, like stating why you chose a specific program. That's it. Okay, and then a one by one pass photo as well needs to be uploaded. So our intakes for our bachelor's programs are January, March, and September. Our September intake is already closed, okay, for this year. So if you want to join as early as now for January and March, this is actually the perfect month for you to pursue your applications to give you ample time on all the requirements and all the visa schedules that you may need. So that's our bachelor's program. And what is the scholarship and tuition fee discounts that we are providing for our students? So for our bachelor's program, okay, we have what we call the High Achiever Scheme, okay, right now. Wherein a student can get as a 50% tuition fee discount on foundation program. And the tuition fee cost, okay? If you actually have ano dyan, Google with you, we can do the math and do some calculation, no? Euro to PHP to give you an idea how much is our tuition fee cost. Okay? So for our bachelor's program, our tuition fee per year can be as low as 8,470, which is 530,000 only, and can be as high as 6,000. Oh, it can be as high as 8,470 per year. 530 lang yon per year. So kung may 1.5 ka, makaka-finish ka ng million, makaka-finish ka ng 3 years program mo in Germany, no? And it can be as low as 6,050 euros per year, which is 300,000 per year only. Okay? By studying our 3 years program in UE. Now, do not even worry about it because you are not required to pay the full amount for this one because we are only requiring a 3,000 euros tuition fee deposit in order for you to reserve your seat once you are accepted or once you already have an offer letter from our school. So that would be like less than 200,000 only. Okay. So, here I'll be discussing since most of our students here are more of a bachelor's degree holder. So I would like to discuss our master's and MBA programs and who are qualified for this. So for our master's program, you have to be a bachelor's degree holder. Okay. You can take any of our master's program in business psychology and IT. So for our masters, we have Masters of International Business Management, Software Engineering, Innovation Design and Management, and we have our new programs right now na maraming kumukuha, Generative Design and AI. Diba? We are already evolving into that. So marami ang mga nagtitake ng aming Masters of Generative Design and AI. We also have health-related program that you could take, which is MA Prevention and Therapy Management. And meron din kaming International Logistics and Transportation. Okay, so for our arts and designs, if you are into marketing and digital media, we also have for you, we have new media design, photography and communication design, and content creation and design leadership. Okay, so our master's program has 1 year to 1.5 years to finish only. So depending on the program that you want to take, for example, meron kaming international business management that can be finished for 1 year. Okay? And then meron din kami ng international business management that can be finished for 1.5 years. So it's all up to you how you want to pursue with your study plan. So it would basically be ang magiging difference lang yan is yung dito sa atin sa Philippines ang tawag is units, 'di ba? So sa kanila naman is European Credit Transfer Score. So kapag 1 year lang ang tinake mo, syempre 60 ECTS, so syempre mas lower ang magiging European Credit Transfer Score mo. And kapag mas higher, yun naman yung sa 90 natin and 1.5. Okay? But most of our students are getting 1 year program and eligible pa din sila for a postgraduate work permit. Now I want to check, okay, from our crowd, who here or Nina or Uno, Yung mga bachelor's degree holders natin dito, do they have like more than 1 year work experience in any field? Hindi pa natin alam, no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes po.
Okay. So I would like to inform you guys that we have MBA program and MBA with specialization program. So who's qualified to take this? These are students who's a bachelor's degree holder. And if you have more than 1 year work experience, regardless of what your background is, again, I want to stress that out, regardless of what your background is, you can take any of our MBA program for 1 year, and you can take MBA with specialization for 1.5 year if you want to pursue a program that would fit, okay, the work that you actually have here. Or if, for example, passion mo talaga yung trabaho na nagkaroon ka dito, no, at gusto mo pa siyang i-pursue in Germany, pwede mong gawin yon by having an MBA with specialization. Most of our students are getting MBA General for 1 year. But we also have students na ang mga background nila is, for example, sales, or they are working in a bank, or minsan nurse naman sila. Ang ginagawa nila, nag-a-add sila ng with specialization. It's an additional of 6 months only. And they will be taking MBA Health and Service Management if they have any background regarding health, background na work nila, health and safety leadership. Kapag ka sa mga banks naman, financial risk management, or kapag ka sales and management. So what is an additional of 6 months additional on your study plan? This is with specialization already, and you are pursuing what you are basically passionate about. But again, if for example you still want the MBA General for 1 year, that's not a problem at all. As long as you have you're a bachelor's degree holder, and you can prove, or you have a COE that proves that you have more than 1 year work experience, you can definitely be enrolled in these programs. Okay. So again, Uno and Adventus will be informing you of, the application or admission requirements. Of course, you have to have the application form, a valid passport, a letter of motivation, once again, of 300 to 500 words, okay, stating why you chose a specific program. And it's very important that you also have, even if you're applying for a master's or MBA, it's very important that you have your high school diploma, okay, because you are getting a degree at University of Europe, and we are patterned in following the German academic requirements from Germany. So isa ito sa chine-check nila, high school diploma. Okay, of course, your college TOR and diploma, and your COE reflecting, okay, that you have more than 1 year work experience already here in the Philippines. So again, our intakes would be January, March, and September. So this is again the perfect month for you to lodge your applications if you wanna enroll in students for January and March. Okay. So just want to say or share with you that we have no cap on study gaps. There's basically no age limit as well. And again, German language is definitely not required from our university. So what are the tuition fee costs? So for our 1 year tuition fee, we can give as high as 8,100 for 1 year, okay, of MBA program. And that is roughly how much only? That is like 500. MBA program, which is 8,100 for 1 year, which most of our students are actually getting. Okay, so that's basically 507,000 to 600,000 of tuition fee. And if they want with specialization, so it's only, 11,000 euros, which is roughly 600 to 800,000 plus only. Ang pinakamura na tinitig ng aming master's program for 1 year is 7,800, and that is only less than 500,000 coming from our students. Okay? Now, again, just like the bachelor's programs, we are only requiring 3,000 euros deposit from our students once they already have an offer letter coming from us. Okay. So, what are the accepted English proficiency exams that we are accepting coming from our students? We are not IELTS is not mandatory. So again, IELTS is not mandatory, but we accept because we have students who have, like, let's say, um, they have enrolled, or let's say they already have an available IELTS already. As long as they have that and they meet the overall score of 5.5 and not per band, we already accept them. So, but di namin siya nire-require, okay? It's one of the accepted English proficiency exams that we accept. We also accept Duolingo, 95 score and above. And if they have TOEFL, 72, and PTE is 59. We also accept MOI if your students graduated 2 years ago. Now, in the event that you are applying a student who's just missing one major requirement, which is the English proficiency exam, you can still lodge the application. Your student will be given a conditional offer letter, and you can book a free English exam from us. All you need to do is coordinate with Nina. Nina will coordinate with me, submitting the name of the student who wants to avail of our free English exam. And once they pass this free English exam, this will be their English proficiency exam already. So, yun na yung ma-accept. And then, so far, lahat ng mga Filipino students ko na nag-take nito, pumasa sa free English exam. So they don't even have to worry about it. They're saying that this is easier than the Duolingo. Okay? So moving on, I just want to share with you that, of course, just like any other schools, we also have our Career Development Center. We have our own job teaser portal, or what we call here in the Philippines, Panon Job Street, no? So our job teaser, this is where all our partner brands or company post any job openings for our students in order for them to see what are the vacant jobs that they could actually apply for. So we have personal consultations, workshops and coachings, networking events and contacts that our Career Development Center provides for our students. And who are our partner companies that they can have the possibility of internship and practical projects with? So there's basically a lot, but I just only placed a few brands that is familiar to us Filipinos, like Audi, BMW, Unilever, Canon, Adidas, SAP, Porsche, DHL. So these are our partner companies that your students can have an opportunity to have an internship and practical projects with. Now we have a welcome center services for all our incoming students that would fully support our student in terms of finding an accommodation, student jobs, and also we have what we call the peer buddy system. Once your student is new in UE, we actually partner them with a student who's been there for over a year already, and then, or like yung mga more than 6 months na, no, so that they can help the new student immerse into the, environment in Germany and be able to help them out in terms of starting their life as a new student at UE. So, yan ang isa sa mga ini-enjoy ng aking mga Filipino students na nag-take or nag-join nung March already. In terms of housing and accommodations, no, not a problem at all, because we have UE partner housing providers that you see here in front of you. And just to give you a rough estimate on the average cost for accommodation in Germany. So in Berlin, if they look for student dorms, roughly this will be like 300 to 500 euros per month. And if they're looking for a studio apartment, because we have students who are going there with their siblings or they have cousins who will be studying with them. So most of the time, they get the studio apartment and they share. But commonly, if they are only like one student who will go there, they get the student dorms like 300 to 500, Hamburg 250 to 400. So this gives you a rough estimate how much the average cost for accommodation in Germany per location or campus locations that you have here in front of you. Okay. And the last here is our semester ticket. If you are a student in Germany, every sem, you will be given what we call a semester ticket. So what is a semester ticket? So you will be paying only one time of 145 to 200 euros because it depends what campus you will be in. And once you have a semester ticket, this allows you for a free public transportation anywhere within Germany. Again, take note, anywhere within Germany, not only within the location. For example, kung Berlin kayo, hindi lang yun valid for Berlin. Okay? Valid yan anywhere, basta kahit sang Germany kayo gustong magpunta, hop on, hop in. Ano yan? Libre ang inyong public transportation. Okay? For one sem. So that's good for 6 months. So napakalaking savings na nito sa students, no? Students budget. So just a few more slides just to give you or walk you through on our facilities in our campus in Berlin. So here, this is what is enjoyed by our students under arts and media design. So here, yan, may green screen kami. And we have so many activities that our students are enjoying, especially din sa mga arts and media namin that would really, ignite their creativity by taking these programs. We also have this. This is what you can see in our Innovation Hub campus that is in Potsdam. So this is how it looks like. It's a state-of-the-art building that your students can really enjoy. And we have exhibitions and events that happens every so often. And of course, different success stories coming from our students. And next time, this will be changed, okay, already by Filipino students who are already there. So these students, these are alumni who are now working in one of, different prestigious companies in Germany. They are data science, they're already consultants, vice presidents, or, manager in sales in one of our partners companies in Germany. So there you go. So I think that's basically all about